Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to use an Instantpot, which is a newer version. It's called Instantpot Duo Evo Plus. This is the one I have. I was just cooking and I forgot to make a video, so I'm making in the middle of my cooking. So what you need to do if you want to make vegetables with chicken in it, you need to first cook them or saute them on low or medium as you like for 10 minutes or whatever minutes you like. You can put your ingredients with chopped vegetables, with your meat, for example chicken with bones and stuff like that. Cook them, put spices and everything, put a little bit of water and cook it. So you need to select for the minutes first and then select low or high settings, for example this, and start it. Once you heat the 2 or 3 beeps, that's when it starts preheating, and then after the preheating has been finished, it will go to the cooking version. So after you have sauteed, if they're brown and you want to fry something with some oil in it, some olive oil or some avocado oil or whatever oil you want to use, then you need to cancel it, like close it, and then start slow cooking. When you select slow cooking, you need to select poultry. If you're making poultry with some vegetables, select it and then press this button. Since I already cooked for an hour before, I would cook it for 3 more hours. I would select 3. So there are 2 settings here, low and high, right? So low means it will be very slow. High means it will be medium high with the other type of slow cooker that you usually use. So I would select high and then press this button, and that's it. And then you need to press start. So after you have pressed start button, it will start preheating and then cook on the desired setting you've selected. After that, so you need to be careful. Over here you see seal and vent. Always cook on seal. You need to cook on seal because you're not pressure cooking it. These Instant Pot are made for pressure cooking. Since you are using them as a slow cooker, select slow cook and always cook on vent, because the air and the water needs to come out of this little vent, the red one. It's hot right now, I cannot touch it. Let me show you from inside how it looks like. I already cooked for an hour, right? So this is how my chicken and my vegetables looks like. And I put some water because vegetable and chicken already had some water, and some tomatoes, so the water is sufficient enough to cook it for 4 hours. Yeah, so just use this lid. It will automatically go to the seal. You need to select the vent. Always be careful whenever you are checking. You need to turn it back to vent. And yeah, so you see it's already started. Even after removing the lid, it does not stop. It continuously cooks. So you can see preheating usually goes for 10 minutes. Since I was cooking already and this video was made after I already cooked for an hour, which means 1 hour, it directly went to cooking. So that's good. If you have any questions, please write me a comment. I would make another video or I try to explain you how to use. And another thing is that you don't have to use anything else except the inside, the stove inside, right? The pot, the metal pot which it comes with. You only have to use that. You don't have to use these type of things, right? These are not required. This is like very basic cooking. It takes minimal time. Of course it takes 4 hours, but it takes minimum efforts from you. Just chopping is required and everything in, throw some spices, some sauces, and that's it. Please do comment, subscribe, and like my video. And if you have any questions, please do comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. So guys, I'm finished cooking and this is how my chicken looks like. Within 2.5 hours, it's so soft and tender, you can just barely see how it's sticking to the bone. It's like totally brittle. And over here, see how soft? It's really fast. So try it.